What's up, everybody? My name is Benito Diaz. I'm with STP, and I got some pretty exciting news today. We just received the fresh cases of the DCR fuel pump from S&S Diesel. Very excited about this. Anybody with a 6.7 Powerstroke already knows the failures of the CP4 pumps on them. I'm pretty sure we've all heard of the high dollar fuel system repairs, and every time we get a customer that comes in and asks, or that ends up needing a fuel system, they ask us, man, what can I replace my CP4 pump with? I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. And forever, we've never been able to give them a solid answer or a resolution for that. So now S&S Motorsports came up with this DCR pump that they're calling, that is supposed to replace that. It's replacing it, and you shouldn't have those types of detrimental failures. They're also saying there's an increase in efficiency in the fuel and a little bit throttle response and some more uppity on the truck. So like anything else here that we offer at STP Diesel, I don't like to sit there and offer anything to our customers that I wouldn't put in my own vehicle and that I don't trust. Now, every product that we sell from S&S, we've never had any issues. They work amazing. Their service is great. I mean, they're top-notch guys. I mean, they really are. So I'm gonna install this pump into our shop truck. It's a 22 6.7 Powerstroke, and we're gonna be doing some hard testing on it. A lot of daily driving, some towing, and seeing if we can push her a little bit harder. Everything is stock. We have a Banks performance code air intake. Apart from that, there's really nothing else done to it. So again, I'm really excited about this new fuel system that they're offering. We have more in stock, and I'm sure there's other dealers out there that have them in stock as well. But freshly opening it out of the box, you have your stainless steel lines, you have some plugs, your brackets, and then you have the pump, and then you have the feed lines. These go directly to the high pressure fuel pump here. It also comes with the instruction manual. Pretty thorough. I've already looked through it, just kind of skimmed through it. So it does have some really good information. It's got pictures in here, parts list, tools that you'll be needing. Now everything's top notch. I wouldn't expect anything less from those guys at S&S, and everything's pretty straightforward, and shouldn't be an issue. So I'm loving it so far. I can't wait to get this thing put on and driving it and see how she does, man. We'll keep you posted on the outcome. What's up, everybody? All right, so install is officially complete. It took about a day or so, maybe a little bit more, just kind of being careful with everything, making sure everything gets done correctly. Install wasn't that bad. It was pretty self-explanatory if you're mechanically inclined. We're fixing to go do some test driving on her, see how she feels, see how she responds. One thing I will say is a lot of people are going to want to know right out the bat is horsepower. Does it give you more horsepower? Does it give you more horsepower? How much power? Obviously, we're a small shop in Houston. We keep it plain simple for the people that follow us. I don't like to get technical or anything like that, but I will say this, that it does increase the volume of fuel. We are supposed to be getting more fuel throughout the system. So when you increase efficiency like that, gaining horsepower just comes automatic. It's part of the natural order, right? So we're fixing to go drive her and see how she does, man. I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited for everybody, and it's gonna be badass. So. So we've already put about 5 to 10 miles on this thing, kind of give it some light acceleration and some heavy acceleration, and right out the bat she feels really light. This is a crew cab truck short bed on 37s, and man, she feels like she's on stock wheels, and really good throttle response. I mean, wow. But then again, it's like having a new girlfriend, right? The first time you go around with her, you're like, oh yeah, this is it, she's the one. So I'm gonna keep driving her and putting more miles on her, but so far I can feel it. I can feel response difference of the truck, and she's and so far so good. Again, I don't like to sell anything that I wouldn't put on my own truck. A lot of the things that we recommend to vehicles is because of trial and error on our part. I don't really get in on, on the social media train of hopping on the newest and greatest. S&S has been around for forever, and those guys, they really do know what they're doing, and I trust them. They don't really know who we are. We kind of just know who they are, and we follow them, and we use their products. And man, it's great. So far, so good. All right, so test driving's complete. Man, again, she feels really light. I'm looking forward to driving her more often and seeing how she does. And not only that, but the peace of mind that I don't have to worry about the failure of the CP4. That alone is a win in itself. Forget how light she feels. Forget all of that. The peace of mind, you can't put a dollar on that. Just knowing that you have an amazing company that has done their research and came out with such a great product to give us all peace of mind, whether we play with our trucks, daily them, work them. I mean, it's a win-win. Forget the horsepower. That's a plus. Reliability, that's what we want. That's, as a consumer, that's what we need. So I'm really happy that we got this going, and that S&S got it going, and that it's out for the consumer. It's great. So she is burnout approved, as you just saw. So good to see. Good to know that. Again, thank you to Truck Source Diesel out in San Antonio. They've had our backs, and they've helped us. They're a great dealer to work with for S&S products. If you're in that area, go see them. And above all else, man, thank you, S&S, for everything that you do, for providing us with these great products, for really hearing what we've been crying for a very long time. And keep up the good work, man. We need you, and keep up the good fight. And thank you, everybody, for all of the love and support. We really do take a lot of time out of our day, through our work day, to do these videos, whether we're giving out information or trying to have training courses for customers. It's a lot, and we appreciate everybody that tunes in, that watches our videos, that likes us, that follows us. You always have that negativity going on. That's fine. I understand. I'm not here to get into any pissing matches with anybody, but there's people out there that really love to see this and hear this, and I'm grateful, and I hope that everything that I've taken in and what I've been taught, I'm just slowly putting it back out there into the world. And thank you again. We appreciate it. Like us, follow us, call us on Instagram, Facebook. Call us anytime, 832-925-8508. We will answer the call. We will return the calls if we do miss it. Thank you again.